Ooh, oh, ooh, oh. My God, so beautiful. My God, so wonderful. My God, so glorious. Let me fall into you, fall into you, into you, into you, into you. This is so very sacred that it can't be touched. My God, awesome and mysterious. Teach us more of your ways. Teach us more of your paths. Teach us to discern these times and these seasons. Lock us unto your gaze. Let us see eye to eye and stop with all the why. Like impatient, undisciplined, naughty children, rather cause us to not to be haughty. You are my speechless wonder. I fall into you. You, Lord, are far more and beyond just being quite alright. You make my entire heart take flight with you into your glory, so beautiful and bright. You are my sight, the eyes of my understanding. Your light is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. You are my heavenly dream coming to pass. You took away all of my sorrow. You gave me a new tomorrow. You are my forever mission and only holy ambition, setting me on this inward heart path. You are my vision, the vision of my mission to forever please you, admire you and encounter the greater glory depths of you. You are the vision of my life, of my future in the way of your righteousness. My dearly beloved Father, compared to you there is no other. So beautiful, my God, so wonderful, my God, so glorious. Let me fall into you, fall into you, into you. Just more and more of you. Let me fall into you, into you. That's all I want to do, to be with you, satisfied like nothing else. I put all distractions on the shelf. It's that good place that Mary chose. This is the place where we press together, pause just because it's what lovers do, united in the same cause. Yes, how awesome and authentic, how awesome and majestic, how awesome and poetic, all powerful yet so simplistic. Lord, you are with me, you understand my human frailty, my smallness as I stand in the presence of such greatness. Who am I that you are so mindful of me? Who am I that you pour your love on me? Who am I that you refuse to give up on me? Even when my flesh has completely failed me. And you, God, I felt at times like a convicted criminal, locked Jesus, you said that even though my flesh might fail me, it's your love that will see me through. I remember you once told me that me trying to stop you from loving me would be like trying to shout the raging waves of the ocean into submission. Lord, how awesome and authentic, how awesome and majestic, how awesome and historic. All of this results in our beautiful, explosive oneness. A holy, holy, beautiful oneness, which results in the gift of wholeness, fullness, our together happiness. You raise me to be your witness. Father God, we are the authentic, authorized living epistles, written not with ink on man-made diplomas, by which fleshly men loves to brag and to boast of their religious accomplishments. For we are the workmanship of God, accomplished, created, and put on display for your glory alone, pointing them back to the ancient path, to the ancient of days, so all men might only discover your way. Mm-hmm.